On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will cover AdMedia and responsive design. You will learn how to create flexible layouts through the basic syntax and usage examples of AdMedia. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. AdMedia is a rule for using CSS media queries to apply styles based on specific conditions. This allows different CSS to be applied according to device screen size, orientation, resolution, or other characteristics. Mainly used for responsive design, it helps adjust the appearance on different devices such as desktops, tablets, and mobiles. The basic syntax of AdMedia is as follows. In media type, specify the type of media, e.g., screen, print. In condition, specify conditions like screen size or resolution. Examples of media types include the following. Screen. Styles for screen display, such as on computers and smartphones. Print. This is the style applied for printing. All. This is the style applied to all media. Frequently used conditions include the following. Min width, max width. Apply styles according to the minimum, maximum width of the screen. Min height, max height. Apply styles according to the minimum, maximum height of the screen. Orientation. Specify the screen orientation, portrait, for vertical, landscape, for horizontal. Resolution. Apply styles according to the screen resolution, e.g., DPI. For example, to specify styles applied when the screen width is less than 600 pixels, you can write it like this. On devices with a screen width of 600 px or less, the background color changes to light blue and paragraph font size becomes 14 px. To apply styles when the device is in landscape orientation, you can write it like this. When the screen is in landscape mode, the background color becomes light green. You can combine multiple conditions with and to apply styles to more specific conditions. If the screen width is between 768 px and 1024 px, the background color changes to light gray. In responsive design, it is common to apply different layouts depending on the screen width. Font sizes change on mobile, 600 px or less, tablet, 601 px to 1024 px, and desktop, 1025 px or more. AdMedia is a powerful tool for switching CSS styles according to devices and screen sizes, and is essential for responsive design. By skillfully using conditions like min width and max width, you can create a website optimized for various devices. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.